Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. Seba, come on. So today's video is an opening of a Secret Santa. Jackie from Jaxxlife organised a Secret Santa collaboration between a few of us YouTubers. So I received my Secret Santa. I do not know who it's from at all, so I'm so excited to open it. We had a budget of, I think it was £15 we had to spend. As I said before, there are quite a lot of us involved in the Secret Santa, and I'm going to link all of their channels in the description box below. So after you've watched this, please go and see their videos and see what they've got. So I'm just going to get stuck in. I'm going to open the box up. Oh my god! So it is a box full, I don't know if it's a drop, little presents all wrapped individually. Oh, how thoughtful was that? That must have taken them ages to do as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything that's in there. So the first one says, because you are beautiful inside and out. That is so nice. Every single one of them has got like a little note on. I feel like I know who this is from. How lovely. I can't believe they've all got individual notes on. It must have taken them ages. Oh, so it's a mirror and it says hello beautiful. This is so thoughtful. I'm not going to say who I think it is, but I think I know who might have got that. I love that. So the next one says, because you don't need to care about what others think. I'm going to get all emotional because I've had a bit of a pants week. So this is going to tip me over the edge with the emotions, but in a good way, because that is so sweet. Because I really do care too much what people think. And it says, do more of what makes you happy. It's just going to be loads of little lovely trinkets, isn't it? And I love that. Next one says, because you need some pamper time. Who does not need pamper time, especially when you're a mum? Pamper time is needed. Well, I'm going to get all emotional. It's a face mask. Peel off. Oh my god, I love the peel off mine. I'm so excited to use that. These are such good presents. I'm so happy. Courtney, make a guess before you open me. I will. I already know, I think. So this one says, because you will need this for your next speed clean. It's going to be Sephora! Yay! Winter morning Sephora. Oh, I love it. This makes me so happy. And do you know what? I was planning a speed clean video for next week. So, oh my god. So I will definitely be using this. That smells so good. Reminds me of something. A winter morning. No, but it really does. I've been so excited filming a video. What does this one say? Because you like the smell of cinnamon. I do like the smell of cinnamon. I must have mentioned that in my videos. What the fuck? Another Sephora. Yes, I haven't got this one. What one have I got? I've got a cinnamony one, but not this one. And I really wanted to get more Christmassy ones. Oh, that is spicy. Love it. I'm so excited. I can't stop smiling. I feel like a child. Because you love hip hop and rap. I really do. Yes. Gangster rapper. Oh my god, I need new socks as well. I'm going to wear these in my next speed clean video as well and just slide along the floors and listen to hip hop as I do it. I know what this is. Because I watch your Instagram stories. I knew who it was way before, but this has just confirmed it. That's a bit awkward opening that like that. Smarties! One of my videos I bought my kids Smarties for their Christmas Eve boxes, but I ate them before and I did an Instagram story. Oh, they're the red ones, Rudolph noses. I am eating these. These are not for the kids, so I don't have to feel guilty when I eat these ones. Do you know how many there are in here? Because this will match your living room. Yes! Oh no, look. It's got a photo of us in it. It's got a nice little, and it's copper because I've got copper accessories. That could have pushed me over the edge. I feel so emotional. That is just the sweetest thing because family is everything. Oh, it's another photo of us. I've been so emotional right now, guys. So thoughtful, the things that she's got, and she must have really thought about it, and I just feel really like lucky to have a friend like this, because if you can't be you, be a Unicorn? Yes! Because this reminds me of Christmas. Shortbread biscuits! Oh my god, it does me too! It really does! I love shortbread biscuits, and so does Leo. Leo's going to be so happy with these. This one says, because I think you will find this inspiring. It is something we often talk about. Kindness. Yeah, we always, this person who it is, we talk about just being kind. Like, there's no, it's not hard to just be nice. Sometimes if you've got something horrible to say and you know that it's going to hurt someone's feelings and you don't need to say it, keep it to yourself. This is amazing. Thank you. This one says, because you've probably eaten them all, we have the festive bakewells because we love them in this house, and we ate them within like the first day, so these will be gone by tomorrow too. This one, and it says, because you will be organised. I'm the most unorganised person ever, so anything that's going to help me be organised is great. Yes, a little organised book. I need to write stuff in this. You're going to have to message me every day and remind me and say, have you written your book? What you need to do for the day. Oh, and it's so pretty as well. I love it. Ava's going to love that. She's obsessed with butterflies. But guess who it is? Open after the gifts, it said, and then make a guess before you open me. I know who it is. It's definitely Chloe. Chloe from Life with the Busbys. And if it's not her, I'm going to be so shocked. But I know it is. I'm 100% sure. I will eat my hat if it is not Chloe. Chloe is the loveliest person you will ever meet. If you are not subscribed to Chloe's channel, you have to subscribe to it because she is just so lovely. She's so, as you can tell from all of them gifts, she is so caring and thoughtful. The card says, Dear Courtney, aka Coco. If you watched my baby name video, that's what I would have been called if I could change my name. I'm so thankful I've made a new friend. You're so kind, caring, and always there if I need a chat. Keep being you and never change. You are hilarious and always cheer me up, so keep smiling. Wow, when I read stuff it makes me cry. So keep smiling at dogs and eating all the Smarties. Have a wonderful Christmas with your wonderful family. Lots of love, Chloe and the gang, aka the Busbys. Chloe, I absolutely love you to pieces. I'm so happy that I got to meet you, and I could not ask for a nicer friend, and I couldn't have asked for a better Secret Santa, so thank you so much. Yes, that is the end of the video. So much for watching this video. Please don't forget to go check all the other ladies' videos. I'm linking everybody's channel in my description, especially Chloe, because look how lovely she is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.